get, let's say, clap. You get it, you drag, then by mistake, instead of putting it in between a shaker and the ride, you replace the ride. I've replaced this sound. Where did I get it from? You can imagine I've been going through some folders. You have even forgotten the folder in which you have found that sound, but you can still recover those same sounds which you have added here. So how you can go about it is simple and straightforward. Just click the sound which you have replaced, like this one, click it. Then when I click it, come here. So when you are here, you just come here where it is written RD clap. Just right click here. Have you seen? It is showing you the sounds which you have used here on the channel rack. So if I were to come here, just remember the sound like here. If I were to right click here, there which I've replaced is a ride bell. If I click here, you can see my bell is back.